They know they've got an audience of 20, so don't mess it up. 500s. Right prior to the 1000s, giving us a clinic on how to land on runway 35 at Lihue. No drama to be had there. Okay. Another successful show performance by a 757 as the wind picks up. And they certainly did make taxiway Delta, right? Yes, they got it. They're making their left-hand turn now. Too easy, guys. Too easy. Welcome to Lihue, Kauai. You will have a fantastic time whilst you're here. And if you're still watching, thank you very much as well. Where to next?